Hello guys, today I want to show you how you can do you see, I want to show you how you can repay email. You see, this is email. I'm gonna repay email with test point. The first, let me show you test point, how to write email right. Okay, waiting. First I go to repair. Do you see? Write email, you need obey what, connect your factory, if or you can use test point, but for me I want to show you with test point. Okay, let me show test point. This is test point that, and you can connect this test point. Okay, let us do it. The first you come here, then we choose this file. I'm already downloaded it. You make the first, and let me clean. Okay, let me try again. Okay, the first and second, make second. Then you come here to your phone, then you power off. Then you disconnect. Okay, then let me show you. I make this here to see how it detects it. Okay, then you take your like this. For me I have this. Then do you see, I will connect it, and I will connect it, then connect USB cable. First you need to remove it, battery. First remove your battery. Okay, you see, then take this. Okay, and connect this and this, then connect my USB cable. You see here, show my Huawei, and then you connect your battery. Connected now is ready. Then you click to write. Okay, just you waiting, you keep waiting to see what it will show us. Okay, if you are new to my channel, subscribe now, like, share, comment to see our update. You see, keep waiting. Okay, this is method, okay, for change email without problem. Okay, if you don't want to use test point, there is another way. The first we make your phone in upgrade mode, then after make upgrade mode, we come, then you go to off or on factory mode, then it will make your phone in factory mode. Then you will click to connect, it will connect, then you will write email. Okay, the first, but this is fast if you are already connected to test point. You see, now my iPhone gonna in boot detective port. Okay, just we keep waiting for processing. After done, we will check if it's done or not. Check balance. You see, it show my balance. Check firmware. Do you want to spend 0 credit this operation? Yes, I will accept it. Yes, then waiting, connecting server. Then we keep waiting a response for server. server. Just we waiting for after done, we check if it's done or not. Okay, if you are new to my channel, subscribe now, like, share, comment to see our update video. This is a good way for write email, okay, for this Huawei. Okay, okay, check user unlocked, then it will show email and write. Okay, just keep waiting to show email. That is email, saving, backup, secure boot, backup, reading data. Just keep waiting and it will show you. If done, it will show you successful. Okay, if you have this Octoplus, you can buy it. If you have any box, if you haven't a box, you can buy. Do you see Cert done? Right, Cert done. Now our device is rebooting. Do you see it show Cert done? Okay, our device now is already repairing. Do you see? Okay, if you need Octoplus Huawei model, you can buy it for me. Okay, if you haven't a box, we can give you a license key, then you will use it without problem. Do you see? Let us check now. Do you see? And check here, check our email. Do you see 28? Do you see is done and successful without problem? Okay, thanks for watching this tutorial. You see email is done. Okay, thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you soon to come back with other artists. Okay bro, if you need more updates for this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment to see our updates. Okay, thanks for watching this tutorial. If you need Octoplus, just contact me. I will give a license. You can use Octoplus without use box or dongle. Do you see? Let me show you. For me, I haven't any box or any dongle. I use it without box, but it work. Okay, thanks my bro. I hope you soon come back.